today we talk about how can you enable within notification post notifications on your Reddit app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just go above your photo profile, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You go down here, click on settings. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on account settings. So then you just go down here until you will find here manage notifications. Just click on it. Then you go down here, just keep going down until you find here trading posts. Just click on it. You go here, click here on all on. So then it's going to enable with you here uh, all notifications here of trading posts. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.